now going to take the soldering iron and I'm going to heat the thermistor. You can see what's happening. The resistance is increasing. Positive temperature coefficient. As you heat it, the resistance increases. It's already at 10K, and now I've taken the soldering iron away, and as it cools down, it measures a lower resistance again. Okay, this is a positive temperature coefficient thermistor. Inserted in the breadboard is a green thermistor, which is a negative temperature coefficient thermistor, and a blue thermistor, which is a positive temperature coefficient thermistor. I've got the meter selected to 20 kilo ohms. The black lead goes to the one side of the thermistor, the red lead goes to the other side of the thermistor. I'm now going to take a soldering iron, a heated soldering iron, and I'm going to heat the thermistor, the NTC, and you'll see as I heat it, its resistance decreases. As I'm heating the thermistor with the soldering iron, its resistance is decreasing. So as you heat it, now I'm going to remove the soldering iron and I'm going to let it cool down again. It's hot. Firstly, we switch our meter on to 200 kilo ohms. We connect the black lead to the one side of the LDR and the red lead to the other side. Then we read on the meter, we're reading the 21,8 kilo ohms. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to cover the LDR and see what happens to the resistance. I cover the LDR with a torch that's off, and I see the meter goes open circuit. The resistance is extremely high. So with no light shining on the LDR, the resistance is very, very high. When I remove the black torch, I see it goes back to about 20 kilo ohms. Now I'm going to shine the light on, and as I change the intensity, I'm going to switch the torch on, and you can see that as I change the intensity of the torch, the resistance can drop, in that case 0.1. And as I change the intensity, giving less or more light, so the resistance changes. More light, less resistance. Dark, no resistance. And somewhere in between you can see the resistance varies depending on the intensity of the light.